Okay, team, we had some fun this morning. We're about to start operating, and this guy decided to blow up on us. So there's the valve that's there. It's pneumatically controlled. There's the clear valve that goes here. It looks like this. That's how it typically looks. This is the precoat valve. What happened was, it was in precoat going through here, and that was at full speed. This valve must not have been locked all the way in place, and it shut. And when it shut, it created a back pressure and blew this glass out. Unfortunately, we don't have the 6-inch flanges. I have pipe. I don't have the flanges, so we're gonna have to come up with something. I have these two reducers, concentric reducers. We're gonna slam them together, and it should fit perfectly in here. All right, join us. See if we can get this right. Wish us luck. Well, team, that was a pain in the butt, but it worked. So what we found was we found these two concentric reducers. You see it says there. The problem with it is, I thought I grabbed the right one. It didn't have any labels on it. It just looked like a 6. It was actually a 5. We had already pinned it up. It turned out to be a 5. Went back there, found another 6, 8 to 6. So we've got it. It's already pre-coated, filters in regular mode. I'm pretty impressed by this situation because everything we took out, there's another valve that goes in here too. Everything we took out, and yeah, we had to take all that out. Well, everything we took out, we put these two reducers connection together, and sure enough, it's the perfect height, perfect. I mean, we had to loosen a little bit up top from the unit strut right there, but honestly, it worked great. I didn't have a gasket that fits this 8-inch, so I had some paper gasket. This is rubberized paper gasket, and it works perfect. We have 0 leaks. I mean, Honestly, we can't ask for more better than that. We're in great shape. It was fun. This was a fun one. Now, we'll go ahead and get everything on order. The clear glass, it'll look just like this. See how it is right here? You have the clear glass so you can see it. Another 2 flanges, and then another flange up there. We're gonna have to replace it all. The valve's okay still. We'll get that taken care of. But yeah, we're all good to go. All good to go. All right, team, we'll see you on the next one. Thanks.